how your cash offer is calculated. Here's what investors really look at and how to know if your offer is fair. If you're thinking about selling your home for cash, you've already probably asked yourself, how do they even come up with these offers? Is it just some guy pulling a number out of thin air? Is it always a lowball? Can you even trust what they're offering? And the answer? It depends who you're working with. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how cash offers are calculated, what numbers investors are using behind the scenes, and how to spot a bad offer, and how I help my sellers get multiple real offers so they never have to leave money on the table. Let's start with the formula that investors use. Most real cash investors use a very simple formula. They'll take the after repaired value minus repairs and renovation costs minus holding costs, selling costs, and profit margin, and that's how they calculate your cash offer. Now, let's break that down. Step 1. Let's talk about the after repaired value. This is what your home would sell for on the open market if it were fully renovated. I mean, magazine worthy, not what it's worth right now. What it would be worth after a full makeover, inside and out. Investors look at other fully renovated homes in your neighborhood with similar square footage, similar style, updated kitchens and baths, and flooring, newer roofs, newer windows, and they base the top line number off of those particular sales. Step 2 is the cost of repairs. This is where it gets a little tricky. Some buyers will pad this number way too high to justify a lower offer. That's why I always recommend working with someone who can document and explain every repair estimate. Not just throw a random $50,000 number at you, because the truth is, real investors run the numbers. They use real contractor bids, and they can back up their math. Step 3, let's talk about holding costs, selling costs, and profit. Now, even investors, they have to factor in some margin. That includes holding costs. Holding costs could consist of taxes, insurance, and utilities while they own it. The selling cost obviously would include commissions, titles, fees, transfer tax when they relist it. And yes, of course, they're going to have a profit as a line item as well. Most real investors aim for about a 10 to 20% return based on the risk, the timeline, and the complexity. But here's the key. If someone's building in the 30 to 40% plus margin and still lowballing you, that is a red flag. Now, let's talk about my process and how I get you a fair offer. This is why I don't just bring one offer to the table. That's why I record a video walkthrough. I send it to multiple real cash buyers in my own network, and I let them compete with each other. Then I break everything down for you in a side-by-side net sheet. That would include the offer price, the repair estimates, the closing timeline, what you actually walk away with. And this way, you're not guessing, you're actually comparing. And that makes all the difference in the world. So, whether you're dealing with a tough timeline, an inherited property, maybe a divorce, or you just want to skip the headaches of a traditional listing, you deserve to know what your home is really worth and what your best options are. I will show you the math. I will bring you the offers. You decide what's right. Please head over to MichiganHomesellers.com, book a no-pressure consultation. I'll walk the home, record the video, send it to my investor network, and then I will bring you the breakdown step by step. There's no commitment, just real offers, real clarity, and real results. Let's get you the answers that you need so you can move forward with confidence.